In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable two-factor authenticator in Google. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged into your account. So what you have to do is click on the account icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now click on this option, manage your Google account, that you can see on the screen. Or instead of that, you can also click on the search bar and type in myaccount.google.com. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at the left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, security and sign in, that you can see at third. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the security and sign in interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for how you sign into Google. At first, you'll be able to find this option for two-step verification. So what you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to enable the two-step verification over here. You'll be able to find several options for setting up the two-step verifications. So what you have to do is simply click on the type of two-step verification that you would like to enable. For me, all of these verification methods are enabled, so you can simply click on the option of your choice. For example, if you want to enable the authenticator, what you have to do is click on this option, authenticator. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. It is already enabled for me, but I'll tell you what to do. First of all, make sure to download the Google Authenticator from the Google Play Store or the iOS Apple Store. After you do that, simply click on the option Add Authenticator app. Now you can see over here the QR code will be generated. Now open the Authenticator application on your device. After you do that, tap on the plus icon that you'll be able to see in that particular interface in your mobile. After that, choose the option for scan a QR code. Now go ahead and scan the QR code over here. Now click on the next option. Now after you do that, the 6-digit code will be generated in your mobile. What you have to do is click on this field of enter code. Now enter the code generated in your mobile over here. Now after you do that, click on this option verify, that you can see on the screen. Now after it has been verified, the two-factor method will be added like this. So like this, you'll be able to enable it. So that is how you enable two-factor authenticator in Google. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.